Creative explorers, have you been captivated by the charm of sculpture and long to create your own works of art? Now, let's dive into the wonders of 3D printing. In this video tutorial, I will lead you to master the clever use of multiple perspectives to turn an over-supported, structurally optimized model into an eye-catching masterpiece step by step. First, make sure your sculpture model is ready to be imported into the slicing software. Then, we need to add supports to the model. Before that, we also need to adjust the parameters of the supports in order to make the structure of the model stronger and increase the success rate of printing. Now you can add supports. Next, click on the View button and select Front View. This step is like opening an aesthetic window to every detail of the front of the model. In the front view, you will experience the magic of aesthetic optimization. Make design smooth and harmonious by visually adjusting part alignment and fine-tuning appearance while optimizing support without compromising structure. Adjust print parameters such as layer height and infill density to smooth the surface of your model and ensure that every detail is exquisite, adding visual perfection to your work. Once you've mastered frontal perfection, the next step is to explore the mysteries of rear view. It's a behind-the-scenes tour that gives you the opportunity to examine details that are usually hidden from view, ensuring that symmetry and hidden construction are perfect. Whether it's the hermetic testing of a jewelry box or the subtle curves of a sculpture's back, it's here that you can calibrate and correct with precision. The next, left/right view, operation is about the practice of symmetry and strength. In this view, you can quickly adjust the lateral balance of the model, optimize the support strategy, strengthen those structural weak points, and bring the model to a new balance between aesthetics and mechanics. By anticipating the print path and fine-tuning the print parameters, we can significantly enhance the surface quality and structural robustness of the finished product, laying the cornerstone for excellence in 3D printing. The side view is, in fact, the path to higher precision, greater stability, and better appearance. By adding bracing, we have strengthened the weak parts of the structure. As the viewpoints continue to change, top and bottom views are utilized to further refine the smooth finish of the top and the solid build of the bottom. This is more than just a shift in perspective. It is the ultimate expression of the pursuit of detail that ensures that every angle is impeccable, from the top to the bottom. You can view the effect of the entire slice from a top-down perspective. Through today's study, I believe you have mastered how to scrutinize your design from the 6 perspectives. Whether you are pursuing the perfection of details or the control of the overall effect, the flexible use of these view modes is the key. Finally, we welcome you to use the comment section to ask questions. Every suggestion will be a beacon for us to follow, and we will endeavor to incorporate your input into our creations to create even more exciting videos together. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll learn advanced view techniques. Remember to subscribe and light up the little bells and whistles for great content not to be missed.